I'm gonna tell you how old is the Earth. You probably think that you already know the answer to this question. You were taught it at school, but what if I told you that the answer that they taught you is wrong? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you how old really is the Earth, and some of the dangers that may soon befall it. You see, the age of our planet is a staggering 4.5 billion years. That's an insanely long time, so it's understandable that you might have lost track of exactly how old the Earth is. It's also a very, very old planet. In fact, it's the oldest planet that we know of in the entire universe. The Earth formed early in the history of the solar system, and it's had quite a few close calls since then. For example, about 300 million years ago, there was a mass extinction event that wiped out almost all life on Earth. But life still managed to hang on, and eventually it began to recover. And then, of course, there's the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs about 65 million years ago. Again, life found a way to not only survive, but to thrive. But now we may be facing our biggest challenge yet, because according to a recent report from the United Nations, we only have 10 years left to turn things around before the Earth as we know it ceases to exist. So how exactly did they come up with this number? Well, it's based on a number of different factors, such as the amount of time that we have left to make changes before the damage to the Earth is irreversible. It is also based on the rate at which we currently consuming resources and the rate at which we re-emitting greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. The report paints a pretty bleak picture of the future of our planet if we do and take action now. It says that by 2030, we'll have used up all of the Earth's resources and caused irreversible damage to the environment. By 2050, the global population will have reached 9 billion people and will be emitting 37 billion tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere every year. By 2100, the global temperature will have risen by between 2 and 4 degrees Celsius. And sea levels will have risen by between 1 and 2 meters. So yeah, things are looking pretty grim, but there is still hope. If we take action now, we can still go down a different path. We can still reduce our emissions and find ways to live more sustainably. We can still go down a different path. Thanks for watching. See you next time.